Hi. Let's learn about beneficiaries. The main subject of this topic is what a beneficiary is and how they work. A beneficiary is a person who is designated to receive the benefits of property owned by someone else. Beneficiaries often receive these benefits as part of an inheritance. Beneficiaries can be designated in documents relating to life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and other financial products. It's important to designate beneficiaries for your financial assets so that they can be distributed according to your wishes when you pass away. Beneficiaries can be any person or organization named to receive property after someone passes away. The property owner can put various stipulations on the disbursement of property, such as age or marital status requirements. It's important to know that failure to name beneficiaries on your financial accounts can result in the financial institution making decisions about the distribution of the assets. Beneficiaries designated on the paperwork for financial accounts override any beneficiary listed in a will. Designating beneficiaries for your financial property ensures that those you've decided should receive your money can be assured of receiving it after you're gone. This is important for ensuring that your property ends up in the right hands. The primary beneficiary is the first choice of beneficiary made by a financial account owner. This person or organization receives all the assets in an account. A contingent beneficiary is a secondary beneficiary who receives the account benefits only if the primary beneficiary is no longer living or cannot be located. It's possible to name more than one contingent beneficiary and determine how the assets would be divided between them. When selecting beneficiaries, consider your relationships with family members, individuals outside the family, organizations you've supported, and any family pets who may need your protection. It's also important to assess who may need your financial help and reward loyal service through the years. Upon first opening your financial accounts, you can provide beneficiary information. If you didn't provide it at that time, you can request the paperwork that allows you to designate one or more beneficiaries. Fill it out, sign and date it, and return it to the company. Maintain a copy for your files. An individual retirement account allows the account holder to designate a beneficiary. The distribution options for the assets are different depending on whether the beneficiary is an eligible designated beneficiary or a designated beneficiary. If the beneficiary is either an estate or a trust, referred to as a non-designated beneficiary, the executor or trustee directs the distribution of assets. Life insurance proceeds are tax-free to the beneficiary and are not reported as gross income. However, any interest received or accrued is taxable. Life insurance beneficiaries can be individuals, such as a spouse or adult child, or entities, such as a trust. Life insurance beneficiaries can be revocable or irrevocable. Revocable beneficiaries can be changed if necessary at any time during the policy owner's lifetime. An irrevocable beneficiary is permanent. It's important to choose beneficiaries carefully. If you don't choose one or more beneficiaries for your assets, then the decision about what happens to your money will be made by someone other than you, such as a financial institution or a court in the state in which you live. Designating beneficiaries for your financial accounts involves providing the names and other specifics on a form when you open your account. If your accounts have been open, request the appropriate form for designating beneficiaries, fill it out carefully and properly, and return it to your financial institution. In the case of a life insurance policy with revocable beneficiaries, the owner of the policy can change the beneficiary designations at any time. This is something that may be necessary if a beneficiary passes away or if the primary beneficiary is a spouse and the marriage ends in divorce. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. A beneficiary is an individual who receives a benefit which is often a monetary distribution. 2. Distributions can have tax consequences. 3. Beneficiaries who inherit a retirement account may have various options for the distribution of its funds. 4. Options for distributions from inherited IRAs depend on whether the beneficiary is an eligible designated beneficiary or a designated beneficiary. 5. You can change the beneficiaries on financial accounts at any time, though doing so requires completing and returning the relevant paperwork. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.